So do you also want to build such beautiful automation workflows? If you are also in AI and automation workspace, or if you're just exploring how you can create automation, you must have heard about N8n already. The only hurdle is to use N8n, you have to pay the pricing upfront. But if you are someone like me who doesn't want to pay upfront and you want to use all the features and explore all the possibilities out there, you can continue watching my video and I'll show you how you can use N8n locally without having to pay a dime. So first of all, to do so, you have to come here to docker.com, and when you are here, you will see this button, download Docker Desktop. Depending on whether you use Windows, Linux or Mac, click on that button and download the file. So I use a Mac, so I'll click on download Mac. So once you install it, the interface is gonna look something similar to this. It will ask you to sign in. Just sign up with your Gmail and create a free account there. Once you do so, right now there are no images in Docker. So first of all, on the left hand side you will see images. Click on that. Afterwards, click on this search bar here and type N8n, and this is the first one with N8n logo. So I'm gonna click on pull, and it's a big file, so it's gonna take some time to download. But in the meantime it's doing so, I want you to subscribe and follow me on YouTube, and if you want to leave a comment, that will actually make my day. Okay, so it's pulled already. Now I'm going to click on run. So when you come here in additional settings, it's going to ask you for the container name. Just type N8n or whatever the name you want to give it. Leave the port to 5678 or just give it any random numbers. In the path, I have chosen the volume where I want to save it on my system. Secondly, just give it the path on your system. So once you're done running this, it's gonna install it, finish migration, and afterwards you will see this small URL here, editor is now accessible via. Just click on this link and it's gonna open this link for you. So here it's going to ask you for your email, first name and password. So everything here is going to get stored locally on your system, as you can see here. Once you have filled all the information, it's going to ask you what type of company are you and all these things. If you want to fill it, just fill it. Otherwise, just hit get. A pop-up box will appear here which will ask you get paid features for free forever. So this is absolutely crazy from N8n. They are going to give you a license key which will work for your rest of your life, and you don't have to pay anything. So just hit here, enter your email address and click send me a free license key. A link will be sent to you for the activation. When you go to your mail, you can just directly activate it from there and you are good to go. Okay, so here you are, and you can absolutely use N8n for free now. So when you come here in this dashboard, you can click on this plus icon and will give you options like credentials or workflow. So I'll click on workflow. It gives me this. When you click on this, you have all the options. Now just click on anything, start using it, and yeah, there you go. If you like this video, please hit subscribe and show some love in the comment section. Thank you.